Well, hello. I wanted to make a review about these headphones. I didn't want to let more time pass before I do it, so here I am. These are the Tronsmart Space S1, and you're probably wondering what do I have to say about these headphones because there are like two or three or four maybe reviews on the internet about this. And the thing is that all the videos I watched, they were saying that these were good headphones and that the sound quality was good and yada yada yada. And to be honest with you, the sound quality is okay. It's not bad, and the headphones actually are pretty comfortable, I would say. There was only one downside, and I think there was one guy who mentioned it, and then it's like whenever you put them on, well, mine has this strap on that I attached to it, and I'll explain in a little bit why. Well, I was wearing the headphones, let me pause it. Whenever I was wearing the headphones, they will just slowly, well, downwards, and then they will end up in this awkward position. And to be honest with you, um, listening to using the headphones that way was like very uncomfortable. I mean, like the sound wasn't good. The the way that they will um fit in your ears, sit in your ears, was not the best. And then I don't know if it was just my sweat or whatever, but it will get into the little holes that it has where the sound comes out. Um, and then the sound will just sound muffled and terrible. So I was thinking, and I remember I had this other, I don't know if you knew about him, I don't even remember the name, but there was this Sony headsets, but they're like the whole MP3 thing is built into the stand, and they go into your ear, and they had this particular thing that they were promoting it as a swimming MP3 player or whatever, and they came with this, and those came with a similar band to it. But I was thinking like, how can I do this? How can I get a band similar to that and put it into here? I didn't have any rubber things or whatever, so I thought of using this, I don't know what to call it, this thing that women use to tie their hair. So I put them in, and to be honest with you, they now work just fine. I mean, like, they always remain in the same position. I can be moving, I can be jumping. I just came up for running, to be honest. And the thing doesn't move. The sweat doesn't get into the, I don't know, the hole that it had for the sound. And I mean, I can listen to it no problem. I think all that it needed, it was just this thing at the back. If you have those, I mean, you will definitely have want to get something similar to it, and you'll definitely notice the difference. Tronsmart, if you're watching this video, please add something like this to your headsets. Otherwise, they are like terrible, terrible, terrible headsets. I was really thinking, how can these people say these are good headsets if that are like really annoying? But with this, I mean, they completely changed the game, to be honest with you. Give it a try, and thank you.